Warm welcome of our staff members, respected HOD, and our project guide, Professor Amar Pavde. Our project title RFID based book return and reissue model. Group number 1. RFID book return and reissue model is an advanced library management mainly implemented to reduce the manual workload of the librarians by automating the reissuing and return of books into a machine similar to vending machine. For example, the student can return the books at the lunch hour also with minimum manual work. This is the block diagram of our project. The three main blocks are input stage, processing stage, and the output stage. The input stage in LMS software. The processing stage mainly consists of hardware, that is microcontroller, conveyor belt, and so on. The output stage consists of conveyor belt and drop box, also known as collection box. Now let us see the flow chart. The flow chart. The student scan the student ID and the book ID. First, the system checks if the student ID and book ID matches. If the student ID and book ID matches, it also checks the fine is applicable or not. If the fine is applicable, the fine payment is done by displaying the QR code with the applied fine. Now, if the fine is paid, the system goes back to further menu, which shows return or reissue icons on the display monitor. If the fine is not paid, the system is exited. It exits the loop. After showing the return and reissue model, that is, if the fine is paid, the student can choose return button or reissue button depending on its requirements. If return button is pressed, the book is collected in the collection box with the help of a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt is having an IR module which senses the presence of the book, and with the help of the hardware, the conveyor belt starts rotating. If the reissue is pressed, the record of the books is updated in the ERP, and the system goes back to the main menu. Thank you. Now let us see the hardware part. First of all, we require a power supply, for which we have used a step down transformer to step down 12 volt to 230 volt AC means to 12 volt 1 ampere AC, which is then converted to 12 volt DC by using a bridge rectifier. We read the data using RFID reader module. These are the RFID passive tags. As the name suggests, passive because they does not contain any power supply. They contain a coil. When RFID receives the carrier signal, it superimposes a 12-digit unique number on it and retransmits the signal. On retransmission, the unique number is extracted from the carrier signal and the unique number used for further processing. After we read the tags by using the RFID reader, we can see the 12-digit unique number on the LCD screen. For example, ID 1, 2, 3 are scanned on the pin 2 and 3 of the Arduino on the IC. There is an RFID module. Its frequency is 125 kHz. Along with RFID, as shown in the display, the unique ID is displayed on the 16:2 LCD. An RFID reader module has a power indicator LED, buzzer, and the output of EM module goes to the pin 2 and 3 of the Arduino IC. The EM reader module buzzes when each ID is scanned. Then the output of pin number 4, 5, 6 and 8 of the IC goes to the LCD module, which has been connected by using the connectors. A variable resistor, that is pot, is used for adjusting the brightness of the LCD screen. 16:2 LCD. The pin number 9 of the IC is being used to getting the output, which is then connected to the relay coil, that is EM single pole double throw switch, which is connected to the conveyor motor, which drives the conveyor motor. The conveyor is used to put the books in the collection box. Thank you.